spirit break, it embodies the beauty and the mystery of the night. Let us remain silent, seated, and relaxed as we welcome our Eastern Grass Alley. Bella! Now, Eastern Grass are during a nocturnal time of break, meaning most of the time is during the night time. Did you know when they are flying almost silent is because of their special feathers that helps them glide quietly in the night, making them the silent stalkers or the silent hunters of the night. Just like any other owls, they rotate their heads about 270 degrees. And yes, that is possible because this bird has a 14-neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without even moving its whole body. They're also called here in the Philippines as a quago. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a massive round of applause to our beautiful grass owl named Bella. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next bird of prey, they're experts at snatching food from other birds. In bird flight, our brownie kite's named Shagger. And wait, there's more. Here comes our next brownie kite named Argus. And ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our third brownie kite named Cloud. So brownie kites has a wide plumage with its head round down its hind parts, and the rest of its colors they have stripy chestnut brown. And brownie kites can go on these snatches like prey and steals from fish and also hunting birds. That's what they call as a snatching prey fly. And now brownie kites lifespan, these birds and human care can live up to 30 to 40 years with proper care. As again, under human care, they will provide some food and you will take care of their doctors or vets here inside Cebu Safari. And brownie kites are the real world reflection of Garuda, a guardian figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures. So in the wild, they are gliding, soaring, and flying high up in the sky. That's why inside Cebu Safari, we have what we call the free fly. We let our birds showcase their natural behavior just like in the wild.